with On the Money and our countdown to tax day, less than 2 months away. Really, who's counting that? But before you file, there are changes and updates you need to know. Here to break it down for us, our resident expert, Stephanie Ruhle, NBC News senior business analyst. Good morning to you.
I mean, who doesn't want to talk about taxes?
So sexy.
Saquon Barkley, taxes.
This is a good setup. Okay, so few people actually look forward to doing their taxes. But tell me there is some good news.
There is some great news.
Okay.
I get it. You're like, ugh, I don't want to get my stuff together. I don't want to figure out what I owe. But how about filing your taxes for free?
Okay.
Everyone loves free stuff, and you can do it. Consider a new program, IRS Direct File. It's a pilot program. Last year it existed in only 12 states. They've now expanded it to 25 states, and it expanded the kind of deductions you can get, the provisions. Now, if you do not live in one of those 25 states, it will not suit you. If you potentially are self-employed, if you're a gig worker, it's not going to suit you. So you have to go to irs.gov to see if you qualify. But fear not, there are other programs you may qualify for.
All right. So what can you do if you're in that boat, you don't qualify, or you live in one of those states not included?
Yes, if you're not in one of those 25 states, you want to go to IRS Free File. Now, more than 70% of Americans qualify for this, but a lot of people do not use it. You have to make roughly less than $84,000 of adjusted gross income, but that impacts a lot of people. Other people can actually get in-person help. If you make less than $67,000, or if you're disabled, you can get help in person. Do not forget, if you use any of these free file options, on that software, it will show you how you get support for your state taxes. Also, if you're a senior citizen, there's support there. AARP has their own program that helps people that are on pensions, figuring out retirements. And there's Militax for people who are active military or part of a military family. So there's all sorts of support out there. I know you don't feel like doing your taxes, but the answer isn't leave your receipts in a shoebox in the closet. You got to pay them, and the government's here to help you.
And go look for those resources.
Absolutely.
Okay, so tax day, April 15th, but there have been a lot of natural disasters happening. Does that help folks, give them a little more wiggle room?
Absolutely. In previous years, we know there were extensions for things like COVID, but think about what's happened in the last year. In the last month, the fires in L.A. So if you are anyone who lives in L.A. County, you do not have to pay April 15th. You have an extension to October 15th.
Wow.
Also, if you received any sort of government assistance, any federal money, that does not get taxed like ordinary income. And if you had to take some money out of your retirement plan, right, to pay for all the incidentals you face, you're not going to have to pay that 10% tax. Just talk to your retirement plan manager to make sure you have that. If you live in another state, remember, we had horrible hurricanes in the southeast. Alabama, North Carolina, Florida. Check if your state qualifies. If it does, you have that extension until May. It's super important to know that.
Okay, so as we approach tax time, what do people need to think about that's different than, say, last year?
Okay, there are a few differences, right? Every year, you know, it's the standard deduction or you're going to itemize. The standard deductions are higher this year. This one, people don't realize. You could pay, not really more, but you could pay less based on inflation, right? The government adjusts if you hit the higher tax bracket based on how much you make. And so good chances if you made the same amount this year as you did last year, you might actually owe less. I love that. People don't realize it. The last one, your 1099 form. This is for somebody who's an independent worker, a gig worker. You might get paid on Zelle or Cash App, one of those. In the past, you needed to have been paid $20,000. Now it's lowered to $5,000. You don't have to pay more taxes, but there is a tax form for you. So be on the lookout. If you are getting any sort of income on a Cash App, you're getting a 1099, and you better fill it out.
And there is an incentive to file online.
Absolutely. This is my most important. People always forget this. If you think you are going to get a refund, file electronically. There's a chance you are going to get it within 21 days or less. And then I'm going to come back in a month and tell you, don't you go spending that refund.
You mean it's not free money?
It is not free money.
I love when that refund hits the bank account.
That direct deposit, so nice.
And this might be asking you to predict a little too much, but with certain federal employee reductions that have been going on, will that impact us being able to get our returns? How fast
we do not know. Listen, we know in the past, for example, during COVID, because IRS workers couldn't go to the office, we know that people had to face serious extensions, which is difficult if you're expecting a refund. Now, the government is having these major layoffs right now. I'm not sure if they have thought about the fact that that could impact when people get their refunds, but I assure you, when the American people start complaining that they don't get their refunds, the government starts to act.
It's funny how that works. Stephanie Ruhle, thank you. For more money tips anytime you like, go to today.com/onthemoney.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.